There is an option on Tinder to unlike a person that you recently liked or like a person that you recently unliked. However, you have to be a Tinder Gold member in order to do that. You cannot do that on a free version. So what happens is, let's say for instance I swiped right to that profile. Now if I change my mind and don't want to right swipe that specific profile, then I cannot bring that profile back. However, if you are a Tinder Gold member, then you can bring that profile back and undo your liking by swiping to the left. Or it also works in the reverse situation, so that if you unlike any person, then if you are a Tinder Gold member, then you can undo the unlike and swipe right and like that person by simply bringing that profile back once again. Hence, in this way, you can like or unlike any profile on Tinder.